Kani ke jingraki kalong ke jing aji hikai halo kani ke mobile telephony digital inclusion and health aspect. Ya kani ke jing aji hikai ni workshop la penlong de Circular Operator Association of India bat katawa infrastructure provider association hagajite lang bat katanat information and technology jong ke sarkar jela. Ka jing temu jong ke program kalong ban aji hikai pai ba halo mobile tower radiation bat kai ke jing ta e ka koi ka khya. Menteri Ketenaga Information Technology jong sarkar jela uba hack but ka Dr. Amprin Lingdo Menteri Ketenaga Urban Affairs nangta kihe na ketenaga Delecto Enforcement and Resource Monitoring ki Dr. na hipsal ba fair kunthop na Apollo Negrim siklai don nang hakate kani kalong kasien kepeningkong bala penlong ya kum kate ke jingai jingkai hakani ka than chatai lam ingi kari India.
There has been a lot of issues we've seen in the press, we have seen it being discussed. Workshop is very timely because we have managed to rope in and call experts from outside to amplify. Yesterday, the Digital India Week was inaugurated in New Delhi, and this workshop, so in Meghalaya for the last 5 years, especially in the urban areas, we have not had any new tower. So if all you guys, especially the younger ones, are always complaining that connectivity is very poor in Meghalaya, we know that one of the issues is because there are no new towers being set up in the state because of this apprehension of being a health hazard. We are here in this forum today, in this workshop today, to clarify this aspect.
If there are health hazards to this problem, then we must look for solutions. Because nothing is beyond technology. If technology is meant to make our lives simpler and to make connectivity closer, I'm sure there will be another technology that will sort out the harm of the previous technology. That is the beauty of science.
Further, in the rise in the demand side of mobiles and smartphones, the supply side of telecom network and infrastructure must also be taken care of, and the biggest fear seems to be harmful radiations from mobile towers, which is a concern of one's health. I'm sure that the eminent speakers and the participants of this workshop will deliberate in detail on the theme of the workshop's mobile telephony, digital inclusion of health aspect, and will clarify lot of doubts related to this health aspect related to the mobile towers. I wish the workshop to be successful in achieving its objective and creating authentic awareness among the citizens.